Label Planet's World of How To presents How to Find Colored Labels. At Label Planet, we supply a range of colored labels, including pastels, fluorescents, gold and silver, and brown Kraft options. There are lots of ways to find the colored labels you need, including our search bar to search by product code or search terms, A to Z list to search for a product range, Label Finder to search for all of our labels that match your needs. Our website looks slightly different on desktops and mobiles or tablets, but all of our search tools are easy to find. Here's where you can find our search bar, our A to Z list, our Label Finder. Using our search bar, you can search by a specific product code or use general search terms. Product codes have two parts: a label size, like LP21/63, and a material code, like CRD. Standard paper labels don't have a material code. Enter your product code or search term. A shortlist of matching products will appear. Select a product from the list, or click on the search button to view a full list of search results. If your search term matches a product or range, you will be taken straight to that page. Our A to Z list includes all of our different types of labels, grouped into categories. Select the category that describes your labels to see all the available options. Click on A4 Labels to see all of our label ranges. Our category pages show the material code, description, adhesive, waterproof status, and printer compatibility for each range. So, if you need colored labels, you could select our red labels. Use our Label Finder to choose the specifications that matter most and see all of our products that match. You can search by one or multiple filters at a time. So, if you need colored labels, you could use the color filter to see all of the options. You could then select our crimson red color and click on View Results, or scroll down to see all of our matching products. How to find other types of labels. Thank you for watching.